Ktien Pnar Kandai Sakwe Gajat Ktien Nakajala Kaban Rung Hakajing Rai Yakajala Lanika State Anthem. Yakane la pentip do menteri rangba kejelau konrod kiesangma hakakat santri ukola lengkot arja arpusan bayakate kerai la shem hakajing lang kenhun menteri ke sarkar MDA 2. Ukonrod ulaong bayakane ke state anthem an Pyllait Paidbah hakajing play perda yak Meghalaya games kapan long hajowai.
Amendment to the state anthem. I am happy to announce and inform that based on some of the suggestions that have come to us from our representatives from Gentia Hills, especially our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Sngi, and the other representatives and the cabinet ministers and the public at large. The cabinet today has decided to amend the Meghalaya state anthem, and we are happy to include few lines in Pnar in the state anthem. So this will be unveiled in the state Meghalaya games, which will be held in Wajer in Gentia Hills, and we'll be playing it on that particular day.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut ped ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha kajing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.